Well, a couple of new and useful options for controlling your points and point markers as well have been included in Civil 3D 2012. You can now rotate the point label and the marker separately for greater control over the placement of the point object. Also included is a new text wrap for your descriptions. Well, I have a drawing here with some field shots in here, and I may want to rotate some of the text on them. So I'll find a couple of them up here by the road, and I have some overlapping text. So if I select on them, you'll notice a couple of new grips. The square one on the top allows me to move or rotate the label. So I can select to rotate it, and it rotates the label, and you'll notice that the marker did not rotate. So again, separate control here now for the label. If I select the grip again, once I've rotated it, I then have the option to reset the label location. The other grip allows me to rotate the marker alone, or also rotate the marker and label together, just as we could do before. Well, I'll go ahead and zoom out here a little bit, and let's take a look at what I think is a pretty cool feature. I'm always telling the guys in the field to give me some fairly verbose descriptions of things that they locate and shoot, so I don't have to wonder what exactly the shot is. But sometimes that poses a problem with having a long string of text out to the side of the point. Well, now you can set a description width, and the description can word wrap so it's more concise. So I have this point here with a rather long description. So if I select on that point and right click and go to Properties, well, I can see that it's using the point number elevation description point label style. Well, I want to go ahead and go out to my Settings tab, and under my points I want to find that label style, this one here, and I'm going to edit it. And I won't go into a lot of the details of how you edit a point label style, but under the Layout tab and in the component name of the point description, in the text section, I now have a new choice here for maximum width. And this is a setting of the width in inches in the drawing. A value of 0 would mean no wrapping. So I'm going to set that to be a ½ inch. And then once I press OK, we can see now that my description is wrapped so it isn't all strung out in one long line. Now that's pretty cool, I think.